it's something about feeling disconnected, or not even just feeling, but being disconnected with like the whole world and like the whole everything. Cause like, bro, just being outside, bro, like literally in the middle of the nature, I just feel so at peace, bro. Like, ain't nothing around me. Like, I feel like the most thing I'm thinking about, like the worst thing I'm probably be thinking about is a tree falling on me, or like a random animal just jumping on me. But other than that, though, I'm not really worried, bro. I'm really just